What I usually do, I try to push them, push, and when I notice their leg comes up, I immediately pull. From here, try to control, then I come into headquarters. Okay. So here, from here, we have a lot of classes. So I'll just teach the basic ones. So make sure you're nicely grounded here in the middle. Because if you're way too forward, you're gonna happen. That's it. Your way too backward, it's gonna rest a lot. Okay? So make sure be comfortable with the center. Okay, and also be comfortable on sitting on his shin. Okay? Next, do not place your arms here. Okay? Because you'll get attacked by Kimura here, or you get sweet. Okay? Inside, maintain inside the seat. So, I like to do this one. And when I'm ready to pass, and also I'm going to teach knee slice from here. I love to pressure this one. And then, I'll do a hip switch. Okay? Hip switch to knee slice. So notice my arm. When I'm starting to do the hip switch, I immediately swing for the underhook. So from here, I'll just drop. Okay? From here, once I get into the knee slice and side control, immediately the opponent tries to regard. Okay? To avoid him from regarding, walk him back. And then establish the side control or kasagatame. And you can also do a gut lock here. Maybe Americana combo. Or maybe modern. Okay? Again, key details for knee slice. What people usually do is they slide in. To avoid space, I just drop my knees. Drop. Okay? Look at the mirror. So, I'm just feeling his thigh and then push until I get inside the side control. And then the most important part to avoid him from regarding, walking back. And then establish the side control or kasagatan.